Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix this reel is unavailable in Instagram, and here's how it is done. First, let us try clearing Instagram's data. Click and hold the Instagram icon, go to app info, then clear data, choose clear all data. Next, head to the Play Store and search for Instagram. Make sure you have the latest version. If there's an update, install it. Open the app and see if that solves the issue. If not, we will try contacting Instagram support. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to Help and click Report a Problem. Make sure Shake Phone to report a problem is enabled. Go to a reel with the issue, shake your phone, and the Did Something Go Wrong prompt will appear. Click Report a Problem, then include and continue. Explain that you are seeing the reel is unavailable error in Instagram. Hit send and wait for Instagram support to respond with a solution. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix this reel is unavailable in Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.